Today I'm sharing this super easy natural stone tray DIY. They're great for layering when styling decor pieces and make fantastic photography props. I actually have a few of these stone trays that I've purchased from stores, and they can cost anywhere from $60 to $100 per piece. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, keep watching. All you'll need is a hammer, an old towel, and a tile or paver of your choice. I'll be using this Travertine paver that I picked up from Bunnings. For anyone that doesn't live in Australia, Bunnings is a garden and hardware store. These pavers usually sell for around $18 per paver, but my local Bunnings actually had a pile of broken pavers and they were all marked down to 50 cents each, so I got myself quite the bargain. I'm wrapping the paver in an old towel. This just stops the hammer from leaving any dents when hitting the paver. Now for the fun part, hit the paver a few times with the hammer until you're happy with the sizes. To finish them off, I like to stick these little rubber dots to the bottom. This just stops them from scratching any surfaces that you place them on.